Hi guys, Erika Tames here again with another lab. This week we learned about plastic waste and consumption as consumers of that plastic and blew my mind. Like now I have a bunch of confetti in my hair still. I just got done doing Easter Sunday stuff with my family. Cascarones are a Latin tradition. But anyways, back to the lab. Yeah, I feel really bad about the amount of plastic I've been consuming. I've always been like aware of how unjust and how corrupted recycling technically actually is, but now that I'm even more aware, I was already trying to be cautious. So for one thing, I don't have any plastic water bottles in my trash. This is the trash that I collected in 24 hours. I feel so bad about this. As you can see, I have some like Shein bags. I got caught slipping and I received a package in the mail in my 24-hour time period. So that's going to be part of the trash that I pull out. But we're going to go ahead and weigh it first. So my bag, and I just have like a normal scale off to the side on the floor over here. So I'm going to weigh myself and then I'm going to weigh myself with the trash. Now we're going to weigh with the trash. Had to let it zero out. Okay. That can't be right because it didn't change. Okay, so I have only a pound of trash, which is a little lighter than what I expected. It's like 1.1 pounds. So we're going to go ahead and sort it. The good thing is, like, I felt really bad about these plastic bags coming in my package that I got in the mail, because it was one giant plastic bag that wrapped a bunch of smaller plastic bags, and every clothing item was wrapped in another one of these. So I felt really bad about that, but my mom is a crafter, DIY type person. She's super into things like that, and she said that she would take the bags so that she could organize and sort some of her materials and then store them away. So I feel really good to have found a home for these like single-use plastic pieces. So that's what I'm organizing first, is all these bags. It's crazy. Here's the really big bag that they all came in. And then a lot of them came folded in these like tissue pieces too, which is like, oh, more waste. And I feel super bad, like, looking at all of this now. I'm like, I'm horrible as a consumer. Well, technically they love me as a consumer because I'm ordering stuff, but the planet hates me. It's okay, planet, you can hate me. To go boss. And I hate that because that's styrofoam. And like when it was telling us about how bad styrofoam is, more just random little pieces of plastic. Oh, all this plastic. I have a coffee addiction, so I have 2 Shadrax cups. And the straws, this is what kills me. Like, it was quoted in one of the videos, like, how does it make sense to use these limited resources for something like this that's just going to be thrown away? Used once for a few minutes and thrown away. Like, conditioner bottle. Bunch more little plastics. Candy wrappers. Small wrappers. Oh, I hate it. I hate seeing all this. A few more small wrappers down in here. Okay. A couple pieces that fell. but I also have some like clock in and out slips from work. But overall, I'm grabbing my MacBook. In a day, I as a consumer took in all of that. One last thing that I thought was like really worthy to take note of was, of all of the waste I showed you guys, this is the only thing that is recyclable. This is the only one. It's plastic type 1, which is like holy grail in recycling. But this is the only thing that I consumed in a 24-hour time period that is worth anything to these corporations.